Hi, my name is Zarif Hardy and I'm the Director of the Australian School of Etiquette. I'm just telling you a little bit today about our Social Success and Etiquette workshop. This is a great day for someone that's just really wanting to improve on their professional presence, their social success, and generally their confidence. We cover a small amount on our wardrobe and style, so just thinking about what our clothes say about us. We go into those first impressions, conversation techniques, greetings, and introductions. We then move into that wonderful thing called posture, because posture gives you presence. And we really work on what your posture is saying about you and the presence that you have when you enter environments. We touch a little bit on networking, what we do in those situations. We move into voice and articulation skills. So whether you're making a presentation at work or just having to go up and speak to somebody at a function. We then also go into our table and dining etiquette. And that's where we cover everything that's done at the table, all different types of food, wine, cutlery. So at the end of this workshop, you really feel like you have completely stepped up in your life skills, in your presentation skills, and ultimately in your confidence skills to be able to walk into any environment and just feel like a more polished professional person. So please don't hesitate in sending us an email, inquiries@asoe.com.au, or please just send a message down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much.